Welcome back to Anointed Lady TV, my good people. Welcome back to your number one channel, the headquarters for legitimate news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside we nation, Nigeria. And just like we dey normally do, we don come with updates wey we go like share give the general public. And the koko be say, one countryman wey dey go by the name Mr. Chuks Ibegwu, he na the former spokesman of the Igbo Social Cultural Organization, wey be Ohanaeze Ndigbo. This man now don come outside dey yarn. He now don come outside now dey declare say the confessions of the former president of this our green country Nigeria wey be Ibrahim Babangida, as him come outside now dey yarn say na Moshood Abiola na win the June 12, 1993 presidential elections. Say e good well well. And Mr. Chuks wey dey yarn this one so for inside one press release wey him come make available to tori people for inside Umuahia, him come still dey yarn say him dey expect Oga Babangida to speak on major events wey happen during his regime. No be only to dey confess about the election, he need to talk more so that country people go dey aware of wetin dey sup or wetin be don sup before. And according to Mr. Chuks, he say Nigerians are still waiting to hear what happened on the Hercules air crash, plus Gloria Okonkwo issue, plus Dele Giwa matter and other matter wey be dey sup during his regime. Country people want to know how far. Make him play the general public the tape. Make him give us history lessons, make we dey aware. Then Mr. Chuks, wey be the former spokesperson of the Ohanaeze Ndigbo, cause dey call on other past and present Nigerian rulers, so dem take bold step just as Oga Babangida don take so. Make dem come outside come confess their anti-people's actions. Make dem come outside come confess their jaguda activities wey make millions of people lose their life like say na civil war, plus the coup and counter coups dem. And Mr. Chuks constantly challenge past civilian and military leaders of this our green country wey be Nigeria so dem take the cue by explaining to the general public how the wealth of this our great nation was utilized or mismanaged under their watch. Make dem take mic just as Oga Babangida don carry mic so come drop banger. Just as him come outside now, come blow the mind of the general public. Make others now follow suit. Make others now take the mic, the phone, kwanu. Make them come begin the talk so that countrymen go know wetin dey sup for inside this our nation, Nigeria. And all of us need to know for the sake of permanent reconciliation. But even as the former military president, wey be General Ibrahim Babangida, don last confess to the June 12 election, he don deny involvement in the RIP of the veteran journalist and editor-in-chief of Newswatch, wey be Dele Giwa. And no be lie, my good people, Oga Dele Giwa na a vocal critic of Babangida's military government, but last he was assassinated via a parcel bomb for him house for Ikeja, Lagos State on the 19th day of October inside the year 1986. But 2 days before the incident, 2 days before the man bear RIP, one senior official of the Directorate of Military Intelligence we don accuse Oga Dele Giwa of illegally importing and stockpiling arms and ammunition to stage a socialist revolution for inside we nation, Nigeria. And as Dele Giwa hear this accused, sharply him put call give him lawyer. The following day, one security chief wey dey go by the name Colonel Aliyu Akilu, he na come call Oga Dele Giwa, come dey reassure am say the accused wey dem sama on top him head na misunderstanding, make him no too take am serious, say they don resolve the issue. Make Oga Dele Giwa now no come think anything about the matter, make him just kpai the matter once and for all. Now, according to the colleague of Oga Dele Giwa, a few hours later, a government emissary come arrive at the residence of Oga Dele Giwa for inside Ikeja, Lagos State. And na Oga Dele Giwa's son wey be Billy na he collect the parcel and he come hand am to him father, because na him father na get the thing, na him father na the thing come to. So he now just be messenger, he pass am give him popsi, he come comot, you understand. Him popsi now will be sit down for dining table in the company of Kayode Soyinka, and he na the London correspondent of the Newswatch. He be dey visit from UK. And the envelope wey Dele Giwa receive, dey carry the seal of the presidency to show say na from the federal government na the thing for come. And dem mark am for the body say make nobody else open am unless na the addressee wey be Oga Dele Giwa, and na so the thing come play. As im open the letter, na so im take bear RIP. And as the thing happen, many now come dey accuse Oga Babangida say na im dey involved, say na im do am in short, because Delegiwa na a critic, im dey like criticize his government. So many come dey reason say na Babangida na arrange the assassination. But now the former military presido wey be General Ibrahim Babangida, im na don come outside come still dismiss the long time allegation. Im don come outside now come dey yarn say im no get involvement o, im no put body o, say nothing concern am before. Im no know anything about the man assassination. But im dey expect say one day the truth go dey uncovered and they go find out the real person wey give Oga Delegiwa RIP. Meanwhile, the Labour Party, their 2023 presidential candidate, will be Mr. Peter Obi, he na don dey give accolade, he na don dey commend the former head of state, will be General Ibrahim Babangida, for admitting that the late Mashood Abiola na true win the June 12, 1993 presidential election. And Mr. Peter Obi dey yarn all this one so at the launch of Babangida's presidential library and autobiography presentation. And for there, come dey yarn say as the former military ruler now come outside come talk the truth, that's now a significant step towards national unity and healing. Now, based on say Mr. Peter Obi can relate to wetin dey sup, because for the 2023 presidential election, he now be the yarn that period say dem still a mandate to say na him supposed to be the president of this our green white green country Nigeria, and not our current president Bola Ahmed Tinubu. But he now will be Peter Obi come dey urge Nigerian political leaders say make dem embrace transparency in discussing past elections. And him personally, in the hope say one day other key players in Nigeria's democracy go find the courage to recognize the true winners of past elections, allowing our nation to tell its story with honesty and reflection. And the remark of Mr. Peter Obi now dey highlight the enduring significance of the June 12 election in Nigeria's political history and the ongoing call for accountability regarding electoral integrity. But no be lie, my good people, e reach to ask why e take Oga Babangida 32 years for him to come outside and talk truth on wetin play out for the June 12, 1993 election. Maybe if he still take our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu 32 years for him to come outside and talk truth on wetin play out for the 2023 presidential election. This, my good people, na the information I wan share give the general public. Now, anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. You know say now we be Anointed Lady TV. We dey like give una legitimate information on the things and things wey dey go on for inside this our green white green country Nigeria. So if you like this update and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news dey come, na you go first receive the updates and you go even get am sharp. Me dey come your side again to another legit news for you, my good people. Try me no go anywhere.